Together, you and I will shed the true light on what people call reality.
I'd do anything for you.
Dr. Quinzel, I do live for these moments with you.
I got you something.
What do you got? Oh. So thoughtful. You know, there is something else you could get me that would make me very happy.
Anything. I mean, yeah.
I need a machine gun.
A machine gun?
Totally joking stuff, Marty.
I'm definitely gonna need something to eat after this.
Yeah. Okay.
And it is human nature to create chaos. And it is my God-given purpose to be the conductor.
God damn, guy.
I didn't even do anything.
Oh, man.
Okay, I'm not gonna look at you. I'm just gonna look past you.